Hello friends, in this lecture we will continue with the pad tool and we will know about different directions in the pad. So till now we had learned that pad is always created in the perpendicular direction. So let's understand this with more examples. So I go to pad option and then I click on this sketch and select this top plane. On this plane I go to line tool and then make a double click on this line. And suppose I draw a line like this. So I want to draw an inclined line. So let's pick this origin. Okay, we can pick any point. Pick this origin and I draw a line like this. And once again I want to draw an inclined line. So I draw a line like this and then a vertical line. Okay, we need to take this point once again. Press escape and then go to line. I want to select this end point. So click on this end point and then I want to draw this line up to this reference. So take the reference of this horizontal like this. Click OK and once again one more line to close the sketch. So now the sketch is closed like this. And then I click on exit workbench. And then give this feature some height like this and click OK. And now we can see the pad has been created in the perpendicular direction to the plane of XY. So this is the XY plane we have. So this is the plane we have onto which we have created this pad. So to understand this in more depth, let's go to this top view. So now in this top view we can see we have a tapered geometry. It means we have a surface that is at some angle. So onto this surface we are going to create a pad. So I go to isometric view and then let's rotate this. So this is the tapered geometry we have. And then I go to pad option and click on surface. And this time I will select this top surface. So onto this surface, I will create any profile. So let's go to circle tool and draw a circle like this. Okay, so we can take this circle of any dimension and then click on exit workbench. Give it some height and click on OK. And then let's rotate this to the front view. And now we can see, let's zoom in here like this and click on normal view. And now we can see the angle between this surface and this pad we have created is the 90 degree. So we can understand this from here. The pad is always created in the perpendicular direction. Okay, so now we can also create pad with respect to any path. So to understand this in more depth, I go to file option and click on open. And select this file we have, that is pad along path. Select this file and click on open. So in this file, I go to this view and click on ground. Now we can see we have a circle and then we have created a line. And now I want to create this pad with respect to this line. So for this I go to pad and then I go to surface. So for the profile I select this circle. So select this semicircle and then go to more option. In the more option right now we can see it is showing normal to profile. So I make a uncheck on this normal to profile and then click on references. In the references we need to select a profile for the reference and I am going to select this line as a reference profile. So first let's drag this and then select this line and click on preview. Okay, we need to reverse the direction. Click on reverse direction and then click OK. So now if I rotate this, so let's rotate this geometry like this. Now we can see this pad is going along this line. So I go to this pad 2, make a double click and then insert some value. So insert some value of the length. I insert this value 50 and click on OK. Now we can see the pad value is increased. So once again make a double click. I insert this value 100 and click OK. So now we can see this pad is going with respect to this line. So right now we can see it is not normal to the surface. It is going along this line. So in this way we can create pad in some different directions.